Dr. B. Srinivasu, Department of Mechanical Engineering from ISL Engineering. Today we are going to discuss from our second unit of electrode discharge machining. So how the electrode discharge machining is carried out. Let's discuss about the how is the introduction part, how the working principle can be carried out here, and how it will vary from the conventional machining process. Okay, see from the electrode discharge machining, from the uh, topic from the electrode discharge machining by using of electricity discharging. Okay, I mean due to of a spark. Machining means material removal rate. Already we know that one. Okay. Now we discuss about the what is the electrode discharge machining. So from the it is a first it is a discovered in 1770. It is a discovered by the Joseph Priestley, and it is the mid of developed in the mid of 1970s and mid 1980s. And EDM means techniques were transferred to a machine tool now. Means unconventional machining process is now converted to the conventional machining process in 1980s. Today is a variable technique that helped in a space shape in a metal of a working industries. So let's we discuss about how the electrode discharge machining is carried out here. Okay, means due to with the help of electricity. So how the means of a spark is generated, discharge can be taken place. If after the discharging, the machining of a material removal can take place here. Okay, see from the diagram. So one point here I want to go with the discuss here is a simple point here is a see from the working principle of EDM. EDM is a full form is a electrode discharge machining. We can also say the electrode discharge machining is also known as electro discharge or electro erosion or spark erosion. Just now the I said of a discharge is nothing but a spark erosion we can also say. Okay, is based on erosion of material of by a spark discharge. It is a based on erosion of metals by spark discharge here. Okay, so here we are having a DC supply, total electrode, dielectric tank, dielectric medium, inter electrode gap, workpiece, and the fixture, speed, servo motor here. So before going to that, first what we learn what is actually this is. Let's we take one example. Okay, we know that if a two current carrying a conductor, this example I am saying here, okay, when two current carrying a conductor are called to touch each other, when a current is are called to touch each other, an arc is produced. You know that one. Spark gets generated when a two electrodes are means of a two current is passing that. So arc is there. If we look closely, that point of a contact between the two wires, we note that small portion of metal has eroded here. Small part, we know that when small things are got eroded here. When a spark, when a two in a wire of a contact with it, what a spark is come. Due to spark, what happened here? Small part of a wire gets of a eroded can be taken place. We know that one. Portion of a metal has been eroded. And okay, in EDM, in electrode discharge of a machining, what is going on? When discharge takes place between 2 points, when discharge takes place between 2 points of the anode and the cathode, we know that one is a anode, another one is a cathode. Okay, due to of electricity, we know that the anode and the cathode. So what happens when discharge takes place between the anode and the cathode? Okay, the intensity heat is generated near the zone. The intensity heat is generated near the zone and melts. Means here, this position got here. If from the diagram here, what happened here? Intensity of heat is generated. Means spark will generate here in this portion. Like this input. After this spark is generated here. So then the metal removal can be taken place here. Okay, so heat is near this one. So what happened when a melts and evaporate the material in a sparking zone? So when this will take place of a sparks here, okay, when anode to a cathode can be meets here. So what happened? There will be a spark is generated at this position, and the material removal can be taken place here. Okay, that is if I say of a heating of a zone, if a melts, heating of a zone can be taken place. Okay, heating can be taken place. What happened? Evaporates and a sparking zone it will form. Just like from the diagram. Okay, spark will generate here when between anode and the cathode will be a means of a means discharge can be taken place between of a two points of an anode and the cathode here. So intensity of a spark is generated here. Okay, for improving the effectively the workpiece and the tool both are submerged. We know that once the total things are submerged. Of a here is a electrode and here is a workpiece. So both are, this is the electrode and as well as this is the act as a workpiece here. Both are submerged in a dielectric of a tank here. Okay, so dielectric of a medium. So here tank is there with a dielectric. So here dielectric of a fluid, what we are maintaining, what type of a dielectric we are using here means hydrocarbon, or we can say mineral oil. There are two types we can use of it. It may be hydrocarbon or it may be a mineral oil we can use. It has to be absorbed that. It should be have to be absorbed that the both the electrodes are made up of same material. See that it is we have to absorb that it will be both of the electrodes which is a made up of same material here and electrode connected to the positive anode. Okay, so what happened here anode? Okay, so what happened here terminal generally anodes are the faster here. So when I take place of here, so connection takes place here. Okay, so immediately what happened, there will be having a, for this reason workpiece is normally made up of, we are saying that is a made the means connection to the anode here. So that is the reason we are giving a connection means fast take place here. So what happened here? Firstly, reason, that is the reason we are going for the workpiece normally with a mode of anode. Okay, anode means of a positive and the negative is a cathode here. Okay, so here there will be a, we should have to be very careful. There will be a gap between the electrode and the workpiece here. So due to the suitable gap known as a spark gap, we are saying in circuit. Previously we are saying that is also a standoff distance, but here the spark gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece here. Here tool and the workpiece we are saying. Okay, there will be having a spark gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece. Tool and the workpiece here. There will be a distance should be there. Okay, so that is a spark gap we are saying. Okay, the spark are mode means here the spark we are saying. Okay, sparks are more to discharge at a high frequency with a suitable source here. Means I want to generate a spark here. So what happened? We have to discharge at very high frequency with a suitable of a source here. Okay. Since the spark, we know that one. Spark is a occurs at a spot where the tool and the workpiece surface are closest, and also a spot changes after each spark. So what happened here? If I say of a, see here, so there will be a, we know that a spark will be a generated at a spot. Okay, at one spot it is spark is gets generated here. Immediately what happened? The tool and the workpiece, we know that when it is the closest, then immediately what happened? The spot changes the other spark. So what happened? The spot gets changes here. Okay, after that one spark is generated, immediately it will get little of a changes here, so that the removal of material can take place here. So to the tolerance, almost of a tolerance it will take place here. Okay, so what happened now, the what is a uniform material removal all over the surface, and finally the work phase conforms conforms, okay, to the tool here, tool surface, and the tool produces the required impressing in the workpiece here. That is a very important point here. Is a uniformly what happened here? The when everything is taken place here means the uniformly material removal over all the surface of a material. Okay, so then the tool produces required of impressing of the workpiece here. And here the very important point here, I'm using of a DC supplier. Is a 80 to 100 of a DC volt we are using here. 80 to 100 we are using here. And the present of a here what happened? Anode is connected to the workpiece and the electrode of a we are connected with the cathode here. So here the what happened? Pressure we are maintaining means pressure we are taking place here also. So at 200 atmosphere we are using of a pressure here. Okay, here take place of a pressure here at the spark of that one. So here we are maintaining of a 200 of a atmosphere we are maintaining that one, and the tool just now I said of is a cathode, and the work is a anode here workpiece I'm using here, and a dielectric medium hydrocarbon or a mineral oil we can use here. That is our now the electrons, we know that one the tool is very important point. Is a tool is a electron towards the anode and ionized towards the cathode. Be carefully here. The tool which is here what happened? Electrons towards the anode, ions towards the cathode should be taken place here. Okay, and we know it should be a thermal conductivity, because everything is a take place in a dielectric of a tank here. Okay, so dielectric means here the conductivity, thermal conductivity should be taken place here of a workpiece. Means here there will be a spark is generated from the spark. It should be a ionizing. What happens? There will be a removal of material can be taken place. If you are using of a non-conductivity based, so it should be a thermal conductivity should be a taken place of a workpiece here. It may be, it will not, it will doesn't matter of a hardness and the brittle material here. It will depends upon the thermal conductivity of a materials here. The very basic point here. Okay. Now consider the case of a discharge between a two electrodes. Tool is a cathode, we know that one, and workpiece is an anode, and through the gaseous of a or a liquid of a medium we are going to that one. As soon as the what happened, the suitable voltage is applied across the electrode here, potential intensity of electric field between this builds up a means here of a likely of a predetermined of a form here. Means what happened? We are supplying of a, this from the current. Okay, 80 to a 100 DC supply is going on. Okay, due to of a servo motor. Okay, what happened? Current is taken place here. 80 to 100. The pressure we are maintaining of a 200 of atmosphere here. Then what happened? Which is a due to of a dielectric. We are using of a hydrocarbon, and we can say mineral oil. Then there will be a having a spark is generated. Okay, spark is generated, and the removal of excess of material can be taken place due to the electron towards of a anode. Electron towards of a anode, which is in here. So here the material removal can be taken place here. So electrical wave or discharge of a in sense of a spark, then the material removal rate can be taken place here. That's a very basic point of here. Okay. Now the what happened here, we can also say that one there will be having a individual electron loses from the surface of the cathode and impel towards the anode. Okay, there will be individual of electron loses from the surface of cathode and impel towards the anode under the influence of a field force also we can say here. Field force also can be taken place here while moving in the inter electrode of a gap. Okay, electrons of a collide with the dielectric of a natural of a dielectric of a molecules detaching from the electron from them and causing the ionizing here. So what happens? There will be a take place here. Okay, means I am here. What happened? There will be having a inter-electronic electrode of a gap can be taken place. Means of a collide of a dielectric of a here, dielectric of a natural dielectric of a molecule and detaching an electron from an detaching of an electron and causing of a ionizing. Means if ionizing, if I am saying of a what happened, there will be having a spark gets generated here, and removal of material can be taken place here. Okay. And the ionizing is a process by which an atom or molecule acquires a negative or positive charges. If I'm saying of ionizing, what is the meaning of ion? It's a process of by which an atom or molecule acquires a negative or positive closure by gassing or by losing or electron to form a ion. Means when we know that when a losing of electrons and the atoms, then ionizing can be taken place here. Or of heating, then it will forms of a ionizing. Okay, and this is ionizing leads to a continuous of a conductivity and process of a current of input. Just now I said of a, there will be having a continuous of a conductivity, means the material also will be a conductivity, thermal conductivity only we are using of a workpiece and the electrode here. In the total tank of a dielectric tank. Otherwise, we are not depending upon the have a ductile material or the brittle material. We are depending upon the conductivity of material here. Okay. So here the ionizing means here by this discharge of a large amount of heat is generated between the large amount of heat is generated. If I because we are heating this is of a electrode of a very high, means it is a electrode is made up of a copper. So we are heating at what extent, means 8,000 to 12,000 cc we are heating that one of a electrode that is made up of copper here. Then it will become converted into ionizing here. Then spark is generated here and the removal of material can be taken place here. Okay. Then after that, causing a fusion or partially vaporize of a metals and dielectric fluid at the point of discharge can take place here. It's clear. Due to this of a electrical of a supply of 80 to 100, there will be a connecting of a negative to the positive here, negative to the electrode here, which is made up of copper, and here the positive I am giving a work material which is a connected with the anode here. So here there will be having a dielectric of a here take place as a hydrocarbon or it may be a mineral oil, and the tool is the electrode we are using of a copper, and which is a conductivity of a material also here. So here what happened, the workpiece also a conductivity of a material, and here the inter gap of it may be a take place here. The workpiece we can of a, just now I said of a, it should be a conductivity of a material here, and the picture here of a fixing of a workpiece here. So there will be a connection. Okay, in this process what happens, there will be a spark is generated when the heating of a this of electrode with a 8,000 to a 12,000 of a degrees Celsius. Okay, then the spark is ionizing can be taken place here. The spark is generated, then material removal rate can be carried out. Okay. Now coming to the see, the dielectrode discharge of EDM is a control metal removal process that is used to remove metal by means of electric spark erosion. Means just now a spark erosion. Okay, that is the reason I said it will also called as a spark erosion also. Electrode discharge also we can say here. In this process, an electric spark is used as a cutting tool to cut the erode the workpiece to produce the finished part of the desired shape. Okay. So from the this one, the characteristic of the EDM is process. We know that one is a unconventional of a machining process here, and here machine to be any work material. It is a just now I said of it is a electrically conductivity. Okay, there will be we are using of electrode discharge machine. We are using of electrically conductivity, and that is mainly depend upon the thermal properties. The work material rather than of its strength and the rather than its strength and hardness we are not considering. Just we are knowing the what is the means of a work material we are using of a electrical conductivity, and the material removal mainly depends upon the thermal properties of the work material rather than of the strength and the hardness. Okay, that's a very basic point we have to know that one. And a rapid heating, cooling, and the local high temperature leads to surface hardening, and some maybe a desirable of some applications here. And there is a possible of a paper cut also, surface finishing also can be, and the depth also can be over cut in a EDM can be controlled by compensator. Okay. In this, the characteristics of a EDM. So key points of here also, how the key points can be carried out here means the potential difference is applied between the tool and the workpiece here. Okay, there will be having a difference. Okay, potential difference means there will be pressure we are using of a 200 atmosphere using that one. Okay, Both the tool and the work material are conductors of electricity. Both the tool and the work. See, this point is very important. The tool and the work materials are conductor of electricity here. And the gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece here. We have to maintain that one so that the spark is generated. Okay, the electric field is established between the tool and the workpiece, and free electrons. We know that after the electrons, what happened on the tool and the subjected to a electrostatic of a forces here. So here the key points of EDM we are knowing, and the mechanism here they will be having a voltage and the current here. So how the means dielectric can be taken with this one. So due to electrons, how the electrons gets towards of a anode and ionized towards of a cathode here. In a dielectric, what happens? Spark is generated here at the positive. So here from the positive we are giving of a anode here, and the negative we are giving to the tool here, and dielectric we are using of a hydrocarbon, or we can say the mineral oils here. Okay. Now coming to the equipment, we know that one is from the diagram, dielectric reserve of a pump and circulation. We are dielectric of a tank we can also use here, and the power generator and the control unit we can also, and the working tank and with the holding device, XY table according to the work table of a fixture. In that one I have in a diagram I have shown tool holder and a servo system to feed the tool here. Okay. So here now the equipment of the this now the same thing from the power supply of a DC power supply here. See from the setup once again. Okay, DC power supply of a 80 to 100 we are using of this one, and of a dielectric fluid just like of a hydrocarbon or mineral oil we are using, and the pulse generated here, which is a means of a servo meter we are saying, and the tool is a made up of a copper here, and work material also it may be a thermal conductivity or the conductivity of a, and a spark is generated. See, this is a spark is generated due to of this electrons of a ionization when we are heating of this of a tool with a 8,000 to 12,000 degrees here, and a flushing can be taken place here. Okay, and the fixture just not I said, and here the filter and the sump and the pump can be carried out here. Okay, from this diagram. And a dielectric, see from this one dielectric, how the electricity or the spark is generated here. Main function of a dielectric fluid is, and we are knowing and what are the methods of a circulating of a dielectric of a flushing we can say here, and the characteristic of a dielectricity and types of dielectricity to know that. Okay. And so the electrode, see from the diagram, shape, character of electrodes, material, just now I said of a copper, mainly we are using of a copper here, graphite and a copper alloy we are using the electrodes here, and the means the modeling of the material removal here. We note that they will be having a, say from the taper, how the removal of a taper can means is this is end is called as a spark is generated. This is a tool and this is spark. Okay, what can be removed here. Okay, so here they will be having a, we can say the removal of material can be taken place here. Okay, now from this one we are going for the what are the so product quality issues, surface finishing over overcut we can say, of a taper cut also we can say here. Okay, so here the taper we can say that is a taper cut can be taken place here, and the overcut and the taper cut can take place here. Okay, overcut and the taper cut can be, we can also say that one. And the very important point is that here the process parameters here. Okay, means the EDM process are a process parameters and the performance measures here. See from the process parameter, if I am saying here the electrically here, non-electrical here, peak of a voltage, peak current, pulse duration, polarity, it may be just have given the connection of a pulse of a duration, what is the here, and the peak current and the voltage here of a, from the previous diagram, and the non-electrical is a flushing and electrode of a rotation here of a non-electrical here, and the performance measure is a material removal rate and a tool wear rate here. Okay, these are the performance of a measuring can be taken place here. Okay, now coming to the what is the power supply, basic property of power supply here, resistance capacity, we can say RC type here, and rotary impulse of a type generator, electronic pulse generator here, hybrid EDM generator also we can say here. This is a power supply, okay. And the types of EDMs we have RAM type EDM, wire cut of EDM, drilling type of EDM. From the diagram also we can say type of a EDM can be carried out here, okay. Different types of a EDM. Advantage is a means here the complex shape that would be otherwise very difficult by using of a, we know that one very difficult to produce by any type of a complex of but conventional machining is very difficult. So we are going for the unconventional machining with the EDM is very easy here. And it should be, we have to know that only the thermal conductivity take place here. Both. It is a very easy. No, we are not depending upon the what is the ductility material, means of ductile material or brittle material. We are just knowing the what are the, we should be having a thermal conductivity. Extremely hard material is to a very close of a tolerance, very means of a take place here. A tolerance here, very small workpiece where a convention. If you go with a more of a means what happens, this is a hard material, it will be conducted. What happens if you go with this one, what happens, it will be having a by using of a convention method, it will damage that one. By using of a EDM, it will not damage. It will remove the small of a means, remove of a little bit of material with a good tolerance here. Okay. So there will be a very small workpiece where a convention cutting tool may be a damage the part from the excess cutting tool present. There is no direct contact between the tool and the workpiece here. You know that. The unconventional machining process, this is also one type of a electrode discharge machining is one type. So when there is no tool is a contact with the workpiece here, there is some form of energy in the form of a discharge. We are saying, let's say in the sense of spark. We are saying, okay. Remove the and the distortion here. Good surface finishing can be obtained here, and very good surface can be obtained by the reduction of the finishing path. Very fine holes can be attained, and the taper holes may be produced here. Now the disadvantage of this one of a EDM is a slow rate of a material removal here, and a fire hazard of association with the use of a combustion of a oil base of it due to the dielectric here. Fire can be taken place here. Additional time and the cost of this one also cost is very high compared to that one. Okay, and the reciprocating of a sharp corner on the workpiece is a difficult. And we know that the corner of a cutting is very difficult for that one. For by using of EDM here, and a specific power sum is a very high, and the power consumption is high. Overcut is a formed here. Sometimes where power consumption is high. Excess of a tool where occurs here. Sometimes by using of a electro discharge machine here. And the limitation here of a electro discharge of a machining is a metal removal rate are slow. Low is a material to be machined must be electrically of a conductor. That is also a limitation here. You know that one. And the produce of a slightly taper and a rapid electrode of a wear can be come in a costly, because you know the costly equipment is everything is there. And the electrode are smaller than of a point in a diameter are impractical here. And the work surface is damaged to the depth of this one. Easily removed here. Okay. These are the limitations of a electrode discharge of a machining. Thank you and have a nice. Thank you and have a nice